TikTokers successfully convince men that women peel their skin off on their periods. A TikToker has successfully and hilariously managed to convince a fair number of her male followers that women peel off their own skin while on their periods. In a video uploaded to TikTok, model and aspiring actor Dakota Fink could be seen peeling away what appears to be a face mask with a completely straight face. The text reads, "Throwback to when men didn't know we had to peel off layers of our skin after our period." The video, captioned "How did they not know this?" has been watched well over 2.5 million times. Incredibly, a fair few men in the comment section were reeled in, left completely amazed by their discovery. One touchingly empathetic bloke wrote, "So it's true, to every girl, woman, I'm so sorry you'll have to go through so much." Another innocent sort gasped, "I'm a boy, and is this true, girls?"
Throwback to when men didn't know we had to peel off layers of our skin after our period.
Unfortunately for the lads who were left out in their basic biology knowledge after Dakota's daft prank, there weren't many girls out there willing to give up the game, and some of the comments are priceless. One woman wrote, "Anyone who says they don't have it is a pick-me girl. It's normal, normalize it." Another said, "I still remember how scared I was when I had to peel it for the first time." Although there are some pretty out there side effects of periods, I'm almost disappointed to say this isn't one of them. I mean, how cool would it be to feel like a snake for a few days a month?